Hey everybody, let's be real. Online feedback can be trickier than trying to take a selfie with a squirrel on your head. You know what I'm talking about? Good job. Needs improvement. Is that a robot? Am I being pranked by a toaster? Feedback should be helpful, not hurtful, right? So whether you're a teacher trying to inspire or a student just trying to understand what in the world revise your thesis statement means, I got you. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of online feedback with 3 game-changing strategies that'll have you saying bye Felicia to those vague robotic comments. Let's do this thing. Okay, real talk. Have you ever received online feedback that felt like this? Good job. Needs improvement. And that's it. No warmth, no context, just cold, clinical feedback floating in your inbox. Now imagine being a student on the receiving end. Confused? Disengaged? Maybe even a little deflated? Here's the deal. Online learning is here to stay, and our feedback needs to evolve with it. So in this video, I'll walk you through 3 strategies to make your digital feedback clear, kind, and actually useful. And hey, stick around till the end if you want a simple way to make feedback feel like a conversation, not a command. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to deliver clear, engaging, and personalized feedback in online or hybrid environments. Use digital tools to make your feedback stick. Create a feedback culture that invites reflection and growth. Without tone of voice, facial expressions, or that nod of encouragement, online feedback can feel flat or even robotic. But guess what? That's fixable. Let's break it down. Strategy number 1, use technology to your advantage. Don't just type out comments, record them. Use tools like Loom, Screencast-O-Matic, or Canva video messages. Or drop feedback into discussion forums to invite peer response. Use interactive quizzes with instant feedback for low-stakes learning moments. Example, instead of a written well done, try, hey, just watched your video pitch. Awesome storytelling. Consider tightening your intro to hook the viewer faster. That personal touch? Game changer. Strategy number 2, build a feedback loop. Don't just send feedback. Invite a response. Create spaces where learners can ask questions, reflect on feedback, and even resubmit improved work. For example, set up a weekly feedback question and answer thread or offer a short one-on-one check-in option for major projects. Strategy number 3, overcome the digital disconnect. Since you can't rely on body language, your words have to do the heavy lifting. Be ultra clear in your comments. Add emoji cues to soften tone. Yes, even in formal LMS comments. Use real-time video chats when nuance matters. Pro tip: always start feedback with something positive, even if there's a lot to work on. I can see how much effort went into this. Let's look at how we can make your argument even stronger. Let's talk about it. What's one tool, platform, or method you've used to give or receive feedback in an online course? What made it awesome or awkward? Drop your answer in the comments or your digital journal. And there you have it. Giving and getting feedback in the digital world doesn't have to be as painful as trying to untangle headphones after they've been in your backpack for a week. It's all about being clear, being kind, and using the right tools to make it feel like you're having a real conversation. Remember, feedback is a two-way street, so let's build bridges, not walls. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to hit that like button harder than I hit the whoa. Share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more videos that'll help you conquer the digital world one comment at a time.